Trust me when I say you need this salad in your life. There's no lettuce in this salad, but it is loaded with all kinds of fiber and delicious flavors. Let's make a salad that's loaded with cruciferous vegetables. I don't think any salad is complete until you put a toasted nut on top. Today we are going to toast some walnuts over the stove. You just spray it with a little bit of avocado oil cooking spray, add your walnuts and a little bit of sea salt. Walnuts are a powerhouse as a good source of healthy fats. Did you know our brains are made of fat and we need to be feeding our brains healthy fats every day? Now we're just going to take half a shallot and give it a good slice. You can save the other half for another recipe. Shallots are in the onion family, and anything in the onion family is really good for the cardiovascular system. Time to trim up some Brussels sprouts. I'm just cutting the stem off and cutting the Brussels sprouts in half. Brussels sprouts are one of the key ingredients in this recipe. They are in the cruciferous family. They offer a lot of fiber and antioxidants. We need to be eating fiber every single meal. We're also going to add kale, which is another great source of fiber. Get any type of kale that you want, but you do want to take the stems off because they are super hard to digest. Once you remove the stems, we're just going to roll it up and give it a good chop. We want bite-sized pieces for our salad. Let's mince 1 clove of garlic. If you do not have a garlic rocker and you are a cook, you're going to want a garlic rocker in your kitchen. You can click the link below in my Amazon store to find my favorite garlic rocker. Now we're just going to saute those shallots until they get translucent and nice and soft. And I'm cooking them in a little bit of avocado oil because avocado oil loves heat. Now, to a bowl, we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil, another good source of healthy fat. We're going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next up, apple cider vinegar, really good for your gut health. Miso paste, another probiotic, good for your gut. Nutritional yeast, some dried oregano. Now we're going to add in that minced garlic that we did earlier. And a pinch of salt. And how about a little bit of maple syrup? Maple syrup is one of my favorite healthy sweeteners. Whisk it all really, really well. It's going to take you a minute to break up all that miso paste. Now, let's shred our cruciferous veggies. We're going to put our Brussels sprouts and some cabbage into a food processor and just pulse it until everything is the size that you want it. Don't skip this part. You want to take your kale and put it in your salad bowl and squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on it and just get in there with your hands and massage it. This is going to help break down the cell walls of your kale so it's not so bitter. This is also going to help you digest it easier. Kale is very hard to digest, so breaking it down like that will make it easier to eat. Add your shallots and your shredded cruciferous veggies to your kale. And then top it with that beautiful dressing. Give your beautiful salad a toss. You have wonderful cruciferous vegetables that are full of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. With that beautiful dressing, and then when you go to serve it, that's when you'll top it with the walnuts. I love showing you that healthy recipes don't have to be boring, and they can also be super delicious. Like and subscribe for more healthy eating and cooking tips and recipes.